good morning. It's a sunny day here in Germany. So I just dropped off my daughter at the kindergarten and now I am back home and I want to clean everywhere. Today is Monday and literally all my house is a mess, from my sitting room to the kitchen, my rooms, the kids room, toilet, everywhere is so dirty and messy. So I'm going to do a cleaning motivation kind of video, and I'd like to take you guys along. So first of all, I'm going to remove my wig. It's sunny already in Germany. Yeah, it's sunny. I'm going to show you guys how sunny it is. Can you guys see? It's so sunny. It's a quick introduction. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amdat. I'm a mom of 3 and I make my videos from Germany. And if you're here to subscribe, make sure to click the red button below. And when you subscribe, make sure to also click the bell notification icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscriber, thank you all so much, for staying with me, even though I've not been uploading videos, but I still want to thank you all, for not unsubscribing from my channel. So now I don't want this video to be too long. Why am I nervous? Is it because it's been a while since I vlogged? Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long. So this is my sitting room. The sitting room is not that messy, not much, and this is my kids room. Normally when my daughter wakes up, she normally do this. She kind of arrange the room. Not that messy, but she tried. And the kitchen is the worst part. My kitchen, is worst. It's dirty, and my baby boy is here. He's having his breakfast. So I did little shopping when I dropped my daughter off at the kindergarten. I just bought little stuff. So this is my kitchen. It's messy, and then this is the toilet. So you guys can see the toilet is messy too, but we are going to clean that. And my room, dirty. So now this is what we are going to do. Let's clean. So guys, I don't know if I'm the only one that does this. If you do this, please let me know. Whenever I want to clean, I make sure to clean my sitting room first, my sitting room, then my toilet. Reason why is because I do feel maybe I might have a visitor anytime, and when you have visitors, they might want to pee, so they have to go to a clean toilet, and yeah, they have to sit down in the sitting room. So the sitting room has to be clean. I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel like, okay, if I want to clean, I have to clean my sitting room and my toilet first, then my kitchen. So now I don't want this video to be too long, so yeah, let's go.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust.
Okay guys, I got a post while I was cleaning. I'm going to open it with you guys. So I'm sure this one is from Aliexpress. It's a children mats for children room, and then this one is from Shein. But don't worry, I'm going to open it with you guys at the end of this video. Let's continue cleaning.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
So these are the little stuff that I got from the supermarket. I got blueberries, grapes, eggs, milk, bell pepper. I have this fruit, I don't know the name, but my daughter loves it. I got sausage, bread, juice, banana and cucumber, and this choco spread for bread. So these are the little things that I got from the supermarket. So I'm going to arrange them into my fridge. So this place is a result of my son's handwork. He removed all the wallpaper. He removed them. So I've told my husband to, you know, like help me to get new wallpapers. Then we are going to put the wallpapers later. so tired. So this is one of the posts that I got that I want to open. This is from Aliexpress and it is a children mat. So I'm going to open it. Let's open together and I'm going to show you guys. So guys, look at it. Guys, so that is the end result, and also I got them new cotton, but I'm yet to received it. I've ordered it for about a month plus and the cotton is yet to come. So if the cotton comes, I'm going to like put the cotton. I'll definitely show you guys. So this is the end result. This is the mat. This is what it looks like and I love it. Yeah. I am so tired. It's already 11 a.m. yeah, so I am so tired. I think I'm just going to like drink water, rest a little bit, then I'll continue. It's not easy. It's not easy. Okay guys, I am so tired. Now I am done with everything. I'm done with the chores. So before I head to the bedroom to have my bath, so I want to quickly like do this small unboxing. This is not an unboxing video, but since I received the packet while filming this video, so I thought it would be wise for me to like open this packet with you guys. So I'll be doing a Shein haul. I don't know when, but the video I'll probably upload the video. So that is why I said you should subscribe, so that when I upload the Shein haul, you will get notified. So let's open this thing together. We have 2 packets. I don't know what's inside this one, so let's open it. Okay, yeah. So I've been seeing lots of nose piercing and all that, and I'm in love with it. But then the girl is too scared to have my nose pierced because I'm an African. I have a very, very thick nose, so I am scared of getting my nose pierced. So I got this nose piercing ring. So yeah, So after having my part, I'll try it on for you guys. So that's the first one. So the second one is okay, yeah, it's meeting, like cap for winter for my son and my daughter. So yeah, so this is the like set. This one is set. Okay, yeah, so this one is set. This is a cap, you know. I got this for my son, you know, for winter. Though it's almost summer, but I just got it. When I saw it, I'm like, okay, this thing will not pass me by. So this is like the cap, and this is like the shawl, you know, for the neck. So this is for my son, my baby boy. So yeah, and I got this on Shein. I'm going to link this item in the description box, so in case anybody wants to get them. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. This one is actually for my daughter. Shein and nylon, no, that's why they put everything inside nylon. So this is a whoa, this thing is small, oh, this thing is for baby, oh no, this one would not fit my daughter. Okay, this earring, you all know I love shopping on Shein. So yeah, this bead earring. So this is pretty much everything that I got from Shein, as in that came with this package. I have a lot of clothing that I'm going to do the haul, but yeah, I'm going to do them later. So yeah. So guys, that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. I'm going to see you guys again in my next upload. Bye. And also some videos to be showing here, so support your girl by watching. And also I want to get to 3,000 subscribers. Please take me to 3,000 subscribers. Please, I am begging you, take me to 3,000 subscribers. So till I see you guys again, once again, bye. Have a lovely day.